so good day everyone. I am Pinagayon Narhani S, a BSN2 from the Notre Dame of Tacorong College, College of Nursing. And today I will be demonstrating the bag technique. Okay, so bag technique, it is a tool making us a public health bag through which the nurse during his or her home visit can perform nursing procedure with ease, less time and effort, and renders effective nursing care. The purpose is to render effective nursing care to client and member of the family during home visit. So, content of bag and its arrangement. So, front bag left to right, we have oral thermometer and rectal thermometer. On right near end of the bag, we have test tube and holder, medicine dropper. On left near end of the bag, we have medicine glass, weighting scale, bandage scissor. On back of the bag, left and right, we have alcohol 70% solution, acetic acid, aromatic spirit of ammonia, Benedict solution, and betadine. Center of the bag, we have forceps, straight and curve, roller bandage, alcohol lamp with denatured alcohol, and PD basin. On top file, center of the bag, we have hand towel, soft on a soft dish, and paper waste bag in the pocket of the bag. We also have ophthalmic ointment, hydrogen peroxide, gerapin solution, spirit of ammonia, acetic solution, syringe, and needles in container 5 to 2 ml, tape measure, cotton applicator, cord clamp, rubber gloves, and newspaper to serve as lining apron. So the first procedure is, upon arriving at client's home, place the bag on the table or any flat surface lined with paper lining. Clean side out, note folded part touching the table, put the bag's handle on or straight strap beneath the bag. Rationale to protect the bag from contamination. Okay, so next is ask for a basin of water and a glass of water if that is not available. Place this outside the working area. Rationale to be used for hand washing to protect the work field from being wet. Next is open the bag, take the linen, plastic lining, and spread over work field or area. The clean side out, note folded part out. Rationale to make a non-contaminated work field or area. Next is take out hand towel, soft dish, and apron and place them on one corner of the work area. Note, within the confines of linen, plastic lining. Rationale to prepare for hand washing. Next is do hand washing, wipe, dry with towel, leave the plastic wrapper of the towel in soft dish in a bag. Rationale, hand washing prevents possible infection from care provider to the client. Next is put on apron right side out and wrong side with crease touching the body. Sliding it to the neck strap, neatly tie the strap at the neck. At the back, rationale to protect the nurse's uniform, keeping the crease create aesthetic appearance. Next procedure, put out things most needed for the specific case. Example, thermometer, kidney basin, waste paper bag, and plastic at one corner of the working area. Rationale to make them ready accessible. Next is place waste paper bag outside of the work area. Rationale to prevent contamination of the area. Next is close the bag. Rationale to prevent contamination of bag and its content, to give comfort and security, maintain personal hygiene, and hasten recovery. Next is proceeding to the specific nursing care or treatment. So we have urine test for albumin. So first is cleanse and assemble all articles, equipment needed. Next is prepare 3 or more cotton balls with the nature alcohol or alcohol lamp. Next, fill the test tube 2 to 3 of urine. Note, urine specimen should have been collected early in the morning before breakfast. Next, heat the upper portion only of the test tube with urine without shaking. Compares the heated to the unheated portion for changes. And remember, when we are heating the test tube, the mouth of the test tube must face away from the examiner or the face of the client. Next is read and interpret the result correctly. First is, if there is no changes on the heat portion, the result is negative. Acetic acid is not added. So, if cloudiness appears, next is add 5 drops of acetic acid on the urine. Okay, so heat again to rule out presence of phosphate. Note, if cloudiness disappears, result will still negative, but if it persists despite of addition of acetic acid or even depends, the result is positive. Okay, so next is discarding appropriately. So next is explain correctly and comprehensively to the client or caregiver the result and interpretation of the test. Okay, so ma'am, the result is all negative. So we have urine test for sugar. So first is measure 5 ml Benedict solution on medicine glass. Okay, so next is holding the test tube with the holder, heat it over a spirit lamp till the Benedict solution boiled without overflowing. Okay, so drop 8 to 10 drops of urine into the boiling Benedict solution. Okay, so again, boil the mixture, let it cool down. Okay, so next is, while cooling the mixture, changes color. The color of the mixture serves as a guide to amount of sugar in the urine. So, read and interpret the result. So, blue is if color is blue, it means sugar absent. And if it's green, 0.5% of sugar. And if it's yellow, it is 1% of sugar. And orange is 1.5% of sugar. And bright red is 2% of sugar. Okay, so discard things appropriately. So next is explain correctly and comprehensively to the client or caregiver the result and interpretation of the test. Okay, so Ma'am, the color is blue and it means no sugar po. So after complaining nursing care or treatment, clean and alcoholize the things used. Okay, so do hand washing again. Rationale, doing hand washing again is necessary for a septic purpose and to prevent the spread of microorganisms. Okay, so open the bag and put back all articles in their proper places. Rationale is to prevent, this is to prepare your bag and your materials for the next use for your next client. Okay, so next is remove apron, folding away from the body with salt side folded inward and inside out. Place it in the bag. Okay, so fold the linen or plastic lining clean. Place it in the bag and close the bag. Make a post-visit conference on matter relevant to healthcare, taking and of the preparatory to final reporting. Rationale to be used as reference for the future visit. Okay, so make appointment for the next visit, either home or clinic, taking note of the purposes. Rationale for follow-up care. Okay, so sees to it that the waste receptacle and its content are properly disposed or before leaving the home. Maintain body mechanics throughout the procedure and manifest neatness on the performed procedure. Provide and ensure patient's privacy throughout the procedure. Observe courtesy, show calmness while performing the procedure. And second to the last, defect mastery of the procedure. And lastly, use correct grammar and syntax. So that's all for bag technique. Thank you.